What he does is he enhances the self-management of children with diabetes, and he does so by having discussions about difficult situation in diabetes. He has educational possibilities.
This project is very important for Serbia, not just because it is very demanding on the technical level project, but also because it gives us proof that we are a member of this European family.
I think this is a very good place to actually learn about kind of the newest topics and very timely topics related to the digital agenda and very high capacity connectivity, as well as some of the new ones which are yet unexplored, like artificial intelligence or cybersecurity, for example.
I strongly believe that right now we are living in the most digital community and era than we have ever lived before. And coming from a small country like Bulgaria, I also went through a digital transformation, going to Vienna, and right now having a lot of time, spending a lot of time in San Francisco. I think we have to change ourselves and then to change the digital tools we are using nowadays.